The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Come to overtake time.
Go to my boss.
Yeah. This is what we do. Bomba! Watch out.
Watch my blood clot.
Blood clot. No sir. Copy rock. Everything that's way.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I wonder why they had to carry the food and the raft. Yeah. I am not judging any one of viewers and subscribers because sometimes circumstances lead persons to a point where they do certain things, you see me? So I'm just wondering, you see me? Anyways, I just presented to you a video that shows what happened when food was being transported on a raft, you see me? You can let me know what you think about that video, alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, but before I present a next video to you, I want to give a shout out to two persons, Stephanie and Beverly White, you see me? Yeah, those two persons said some things to me that really and truly inspires me, you see me? You ever hear a thing where them say, the hammer hit the nail on the head when their words reach my head. You see me? So big up and respect to Stephanie and Beverly White. Alright? Big up on yourself. You see me? Alright, so the next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows a church that had been broken into. Allegedly, it is said that things have been stolen from the church. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information if one or more than one persons were involved in the breaking and entering of this church, and I have no confirmed information as to exactly where the incident happened. Is what I'm saying to you. However, the video has been talked about on social media. So I'm going to present the video to you, and then you can take a look at this video and tell me what you think about some of the things shown and said in this video. In my point of view, it seems as if you know, you have some persons out there who don't respect church or God anymore. You see me? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Interesting. Some walk around broken at church. You never see this. They never teach a Bible. You be there confused. Alright now. Let's just take out the toolbox. Oh, I am back there. The four box.
Really glad you're not going to do that. Tomorrow,
I'm probably too cool to the thing. Then I got the TV, I'm glad. Then I
couldn't get through the TV. So I make a move, I lick this. Can I see? The import. Can I see? Broke it away. So I'm going to go outside. Okay, you must have to lock it.
broken at church. Interesting. Anybody? And skill. Come through the church window. Interesting. Bible, the man could take a Bible and go and do them things. Wow, interesting. Wow, alright.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and I read. It's not the first me hear about something like this where it is said that a church had been broken into or the breaking and entering of a church. No, it's not the first me hear about something like this, isn't it? And you know, every time I hear about something like this, it just makes me wonder what is wrong with some persons out there. You see me? I say some persons. Because I know say have a lot of persons out there who nah do them thing ya. You understand? You see me? Something like this just shows a lack of respect for persons' property and the church as well. You see me? And for God. You understand? Alright, you know what? Let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. You see it? Alright. So, The next video I'm going to present to you, for some reason, this video is being talked about on social media. This video shows a female wiping the glass or the windscreen of a motor vehicle. See me? Now, for those who might know this, you see me, you have persons out there within the country of Jamaica who wipe car glass or the windscreen for money. Some person might call it a tip, some person might call it a profit. You see me, I say, however, this video shows a female doing something like that, and for some reason, this video is being talked about on social media, right? So I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. Tell me why you think this video is being talked about on social media so much. Is what I'm saying to you, and keep it clean, all right? No disrespectful thing, no inappropriate words or so forth. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
And this white glass business gone to the global. Yeah, man.
Watch Fatty.
Fluffy I go on with herself. Yeah, man. She look like a left hand and a right hand. She using Rasta tipper.
He not even wipe good. What? In the half naked.
Yeah, I want wipe for money.
What's all I get more money?
What a Rasta take a number. Yo! Yeah.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, let's say one of the reasons why I think this video is being talked about on social media is because this video shows a female who is not considered to be a street youth doing something like this. That's what I think, you see me? Yeah, because, you know, for persons who live within the country of Jamaica and go out there and see street youths, as also some person might call them, wiping car glass, most of those persons that I saw are young men or big men. You see me? Very rare when I see a female wiping a car glass and asking for money. Very rare. You see me? And in my point of view, I think I've only saw that once. You see me? But anyways, you know, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You know? For some reason, this video has been talked about on social media, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows two females who are said to be members of the United States of America Army. Viewers and subscribers, if it is true, I feel proud to know that these two females are Jamaicans in the United States of America Army. Yeah, I feel proud about that. That's if it is true, alright? I'm only telling you what has been said on social media about this video, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Come live. Oh no. Look here. Them say she can't come again with me, yo. Cause we too enough. You see them stay? Bad man, cause we ever
link up again.
Link up and we nice and we up on the live and we are enjoy ourselves. And me attack part one the fuck I don't know we attack say. So that have blood clot. So they don't want them put together again.
So them separate today.
Them separate with a blood clean.
But yesterday we did well fine. Everybody
well
come.
alright, you know people.
Everybody did come.
Brother. I mean I said to the weed I go hey Alfred!
Yo, let me eat that now. Let me eat that now. Alright, stay there. Alright, me I come feed.
I say people, I'm well ready, you know. We da go do some nice thing on the live today because we have some whole heap of place we are going to go.
Hey, no, one big do the bread, girl. I just stuck
it in.
Yeah, girl.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to make this be very clear, you see me? You see, if it is true that those two females shown in the video are Jamaicans who are members of the United States of America Army, I feel proud. You see me? If it is true, I feel proud to know that those two females are Jamaicans who are members of the United States of America Army. Yeah, I feel proud about that, you see me? I want to say big up and respect to those two females too, as well, you see me? Alright, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You can let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.